Hello guys, how to reset film and TV app on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If in your system, if film and TV app not working properly, then you can easily repair and reset film and TV app. Here to do so, right click on the start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings on your system. Here from the left side, go to apps. Thereafter go to right side and from the top of the page, click on installed apps. Here look for film and TV app in the search field. Click on three horizontal dot against film and TV apps and choose advanced options. Click on it. Here scroll down and you will find the option reset. Scroll down and reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair, and if this app still is not working right, then reset it. The app's data will be deleted. But before you do, try resetting from within the app's own setting page instead of here. That way you would not lose all of. So first reset from your app and after that choose reset here. Click on reset. And a small tick will appear against reset, means your apps will successfully reset.